Number 1. 1958 Ford Fairlane 500. Price: $7,500. Located: Fontana, California, USA. The 1958 Ford Fairlane 500 Town Sedan is a beautifully preserved American classic powered by a solid-lifter 332 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and power steering. Finished in an attractive green exterior with a matching green interior, this vintage sedan offers authentic styling and a comfortable driving experience. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, fuel tank sender, complete brake service with new wheel cylinders and hoses, fresh carpet, new tires, and impressive chrome throughout. The car runs well, carries current registration, and is ready for weekend cruises or local classic car events. It only needs a new headliner to complete its presentation. This well-maintained Fairlane represents an excellent opportunity for collectors seeking a reliable and affordable classic Ford that is ready to enjoy. Number 2. 1983 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D. Price: $10,000. Located: Lancaster, California, USA. The 1983 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan is a well-preserved full-size American cruiser that has remained completely original throughout its life. Finished in a handsome two-tone brown exterior with a matching brown interior, this one-owner vehicle has been carefully maintained and shows only 96,850 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, power windows, power door locks, heating, and air conditioning, it delivers the comfort expected from a classic Caprice. The vehicle passed from the original owner to a family member and has been driven only sparingly since then. Its originality, smooth ride, and documented history make it an appealing choice for collectors seeking an authentic survivor that is ready to enjoy on weekend drives or classic car gatherings. Number 3. 1973 Lincoln Continental Mark IV. Price: $7,200. Located: Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. The 1973 Lincoln Continental Mark IV is a true luxury classic powered by the legendary 460 V8 engine and automatic transmission. Finished in an elegant gray exterior with a striking red interior, this personal luxury coupe captures the bold styling of the early 70s. The car runs and drives well, features a clean title, and retains its original interior with very little rust. Although the air conditioning currently requires repair, the vehicle offers an excellent foundation for restoration or enjoyable weekend cruising. Its impressive size, smooth performance, and unmistakable design continue to attract attention wherever it travels, making it a rewarding opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a distinctive American classic with tremendous potential. Number 4. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price: $5,600. Located: Phoenix, Arizona, USA. The 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is an affordable example of one of America's most recognizable classic cars. Presented in excellent used condition, this iconic pony car offers timeless styling that continues to attract collectors around the world. Its compact dimensions, sporty appearance, and legendary reputation make it an ideal entry-level classic for enthusiasts looking to own a vintage Ford. Whether preserved in its current condition, personalized, or restored even further, this Mustang provides endless possibilities. It represents an exciting opportunity for buyers seeking a dependable weekend cruiser, an enjoyable restoration project, or a valuable addition to any classic car collection at an attractive price. Number 5. 1966 Cadillac DeVille Coupe 2D. Price: $9,800. Located: Homeland, California, USA. The 1966 Cadillac DeVille Coupe is a beautiful luxury classic finished in original white with a black interior. Powered by a smooth-running gasoline engine and automatic transmission, this elegant coupe features a front disc brake conversion, new tires, and excellent chrome trim throughout. The suspension, steering, and transmission perform very well, delivering the effortless ride that Cadillac is famous for. Although it would benefit from minor tuning, the car runs and drives confidently today. Included with the sale are numerous extra parts, including additional body panels, dashboard components, and trim pieces. This solid Cadillac offers an outstanding opportunity for comfortable cruising, restoration, or long-term classic car ownership. Number 6. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza. Price: $9,999. Located: Peoria, Arizona, USA. The 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza is a beautifully maintained rear-engine American classic finished in attractive burgundy with a black interior. Equipped with a manual transmission, this unique sports coupe provides an engaging driving experience rarely found in vintage automobiles. The rebuilt engine has accumulated only 4,000 miles, while the overall vehicle remains in outstanding condition. Its clean appearance, reliable performance, and distinctive engineering make it highly desirable among Corvair enthusiasts. Whether enjoyed as a weekend driver or displayed at classic car events, this Monza offers exceptional value for collectors seeking an uncommon vintage Chevrolet with impressive originality and excellent overall presentation. Number 7. 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe 2D. Price: $9,000. Located: Tucson, Arizona, USA. The 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Brougham is a stylish American coupe powered by the dependable 307 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a bold red interior, this classic runs and drives very well while carrying a clean Arizona title. The vehicle has been carefully maintained and remains ready for immediate enjoyment without requiring major repairs. Its comfortable ride, classic 80s styling, and reliable mechanical condition make it an appealing option for collectors or first-time classic car buyers. This Cutlass Supreme delivers the nostalgic driving experience that continues to make these personal luxury coupes increasingly popular among enthusiasts. Number 8. 1984 Chevrolet Corvette. Price: $5,200. Located: Glendale, Arizona, USA. The 1984 Chevrolet Corvette is an affordable American sports car finished in elegant silver with a vibrant red interior. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this well-cared-for Corvette has covered 85,000 miles and has been properly serviced throughout its lifetime. Extensive maintenance records dating back to its original purchase provide confidence for future ownership. The vehicle has been protected from harsh winter conditions and excessive summer exposure, preserving its overall appearance and condition. Only a new set of tires is recommended before regular driving. This classic Corvette offers an exciting opportunity to own an iconic performance car at an attractive price. Number 9. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino. Price: $9,500. Located: Tucson, Arizona, USA. The 1970 Chevrolet El Camino combines classic muscle car performance with the practicality of a pickup. Powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this vehicle features a mild performance camshaft, roller rockers, Edelbrock AVS 650 carburetor, dual exhaust system, rear coil-over shocks, and Cooper Cobra tires with very little use. Finished in white, it delivers impressive performance while maintaining everyday drivability. A clean title accompanies the vehicle, making it ready for its next owner. This El Camino is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a powerful and versatile American classic with tasteful performance upgrades. Number 10. 1964 Ford Falcon Wagon. Price: $3,800. Located: Glendale, Utah, USA. The 1964 Ford Falcon Wagon is a charming vintage family classic finished in light blue with a clean pink interior. Equipped with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission replacing the original 3-speed, this wagon delivers a more enjoyable driving experience while maintaining its classic character. The car starts easily, shifts smoothly, and runs reliably, making it suitable for regular weekend driving or local shows. Owned by only 2 families, it remains solid overall with an attractive appearance inside and out. Although it displays normal signs of age, this Falcon wagon continues to stand out as a rare and affordable classic ready for its next enthusiast. Number 11. 1962 Pontiac Star Chief. Price: $2,500. Located: Apple Valley, California, USA. The 1962 Pontiac Star Chief is a rare 4-door American classic offering an exciting opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. This mostly original project car has already received updated wiring and requires only a gas tank and battery before the engine can be started. Its distinctive styling, spacious cabin, and uncommon presence make it a unique addition to any classic car collection. With a solid foundation and excellent restoration potential, this Pontiac is ideal for buyers seeking an affordable vintage project that stands apart from more common classics. Once completed, it is certain to attract attention and admiration at local cruise nights and classic automobile events.